Hi guys, welcome to Forkin Allotment. Please don't forget to like, comment and subscribe to the channel. Without further ado, this is what I'm going to be doing today, is an unboxing video on this here. This is the ePots eGardener Seed Starter Set. Everything needed to get growing, just add seeds. Okay, there we go, a packet of seeds. So this is plastic free, an ideal gift for gardeners. You make your own biodegradable pots from scraps of paper, plus you get wooden labels, seed envelopes, coir discs, a wooden dibber and a tree twig pencil. I've had problems saying that all day. It's environmentally friendly, sustainably sourced, premium quality and biodegradable. So it's the perfect stocking filler for your nature-loving gardeners. It's eco-friendly, everything's compostable, so no waste, no harm, and also no disturbing the roots of your plants, seedlings that you're going to be planting. So without further ado, let's unbox this. Here we go. So there we go. We have a little leaflet here. This is the eGardener Paper Pot Maker gift set. Instructions there how to use your paper pot maker. And it also says here, we are sure that you will enjoy using this set to grow your own happy, healthy plants. Plus, you get the extra pleasure of knowing that your kit contains no plastic and all parts are completely compostable, so will degrade and become part of the soil, helping gardeners reduce plastic use one pot at a time. And there's your contact details for ePots there, if you'd like to go and follow them on Facebook or Instagram, and also there is their website. I'll be leaving a link for this at the bottom of the video in the description, direct link to these products anyway. So we can turn in here, we have our seed envelopes. So basically you can use those for storing any leftover seeds or just for storing seeds that you've collected yourself. We have the biodegradable pots, so we have those there. They are obviously biodegradable and will also will degrade into in your soil, so you don't have to disturb the roots of your plants. We have some wooden labels which are also reusable and biodegradable. A wooden twig pencil, already sharpened, ready for you to use. That has been made from a tree twig, and so nothing has been wasted. And here we also have the dibber, which is a nicely carved wooden dibber there. And we have coir discs here. Now coir discs, what they are is basically it's a byproduct of the food industry. What you do is you add water to the disc, and then it provides a perfect growing medium for your seeds and seedlings. It's economical and easy to handle, as it's just a small disc. Each one of these discs will more than fill 2 of these pots here, or up to 9 of the pots made with the pot maker when they have been rehydrated. So we also have here the paper pot maker. So we'll open this up here. See in here we've got no plastic. There's your top half of your paper pot maker, and then you have the bottom part of the paper pot maker there. There's a name, you make pots, give it a twist, you have biodegradable paper pots. And there's instructions on the box there. You see there's no plastic in the box at all. So also the box and the shredded paper inside is all biodegradable, reusable. The box is pretty sturdy, so you could reuse it for putting something into it. And also everything in here can be put into your compost bin. So guys, that is everything I've got to say to you today. Thank you for watching. Please do remember to like, comment and subscribe, and please do, in this weather, stay safe, stay warm and stay happy. Thank you, and I shall see you all in the next video. Bye bye.